Okay, we're at the 528 Trailhead of the North Country Trail in Moraine State Park. Let's see, does it have... There is one in there. Look at that, guys. There's actually one in there. Not that. Good. Me and Pam did right in there. So Lily's looking in today. It's gonna be muddy though, Will. Come on. Oh, I need you to see this. Here. Oh my God, stay out of the mud. I know I'm not gonna keep going. Getting muddy, right? But this is the beginning of the trailhead. And it's straight uphill. So right off the bat, you're getting heavy duty workout. Except I got to push mine. And it goes right down below. Still going uphill. This trail. You're kind of better to go the other way. You should go west to east, and then you're going downhill the whole time. But if you want a really good workout, you go this way. Yeah. It's kicking my ass. I guess that's what it's meant to do, though, right? It's still looking pretty nice out today, though. Once all the snow melts, it'll sure be a muddy mess. Oh my goodness. I might have to stop. Right. You can see that. 0.68 from the trailhead, you will find this little section. Can't really see it, you know, real clearly with all the snow, but there's like piles of rocks and like little seating positions there. There's a, tells you if you go this way, you're gonna go to the bridge, the 528 bridge, and that is the Glacier Ridge Trail. And then of course there's another logbook for North Country Trail. And let's see if we can find in October. October 12th. Look at that, guys. Pam wrote it. Brenda and Pam. 7.6 miles, halfway point from Bike Rental Trail head of NCT. Awesome, right? And Lily wants us to go because she's getting antsy. So let's go. Kept running back in. Unless somebody like had their hunting dog or something. Muddy mess. Look at this muddy mess. Lily. Look at you. You're getting all muddy. All muddy. Yeah. Muddy Lily. Their muddy feet. You guys can hear all the mud, right? She's being pretty smart about it. She goes in the snow around. So, ooh, I remember stopping here with Pam to eat a granola bar or some kind of sort. Yeah, guys, what is your favorite granola bars, power bars, whatever type of bar? I was gonna ask that question on my community tab and I forgot about it. Oh, what was that? Maybe just snow falling in the water. There's these cute little bridges. They're so helpful when it comes over these little streams.